Welcome to Expert ACM Supply Chain and Allied Domains Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us see a term called rated capacity or nameplate capacity. Nameplate capacity, also known as rated capacity, nominal capacity, installed capacity, or maximum effect, is the intended full load sustained output of a facility such as power station, electric generator, a chemical plant, fuel plant, mine, metal refinery, and many others. Nameplate capacity is the theoretical output registered with the authorities for classifying the unit. For electrical power station, the power output is expressed in megawatt electrical. For fuel plant, it is the refinery capacity in barrels per day. Power plants with an output consistently near the nameplate capacity have a high capacity factor. Generator capacity, this term is connected with nameplates on electrical generator, as these plates describing the model name and manufacturer usually also contain the rated output, but the rated output of a power station to the electrical grid is invariably less than the generator nameplate capacity, because the component connecting the actual generator to the grid also use the power. Thus, there is a distinction between component capacity and facility capacity. Capacity is traditionally calculated from such data as planned hour, efficiency, and utilization. The rated capacity can be calculated using the product of hours available, efficiency, and utilization. Thanks for watching. Bye.